More people have become millionaires through real estate than any other investment. It's a pathway to wealth that has stood the test of time, offering a tangible and secure way to build financial stability. Unlike the volatile stock market, real estate provides a sense of control and predictability. It's a solid, dependable asset. The very foundation of a house represents stability and strength, qualities that are mirrored in the investment itself. When you invest in property, you're not just buying a building, you're investing in a piece of land that has intrinsic value. The power of property lies in its simplicity and enduring value. Over time, real estate tends to appreciate, providing a hedge against inflation. The beauty of property investment is that it can weather economic storms and still come out strong. People will always need a place to live. This fundamental need ensures a constant demand for housing, making real estate a resilient investment. Whether it's a family looking for their forever home or a young professional seeking a rental, the market is always active. Unlike a company that could go out of business, the demand for housing remains constant. This stability is what makes real estate such an attractive investment. You can count on a steady stream of income from rental properties, even in uncertain economic times. Becoming a landlord is about providing a home while creating a steady income. It's a rewarding experience to offer someone a place to live, while also securing your financial future. The rental income can be a reliable source of cash flow, helping you to build wealth over time. Real estate offers control. You can see, touch, and improve it. Unlike other investments, you have the power to enhance the value of your property through renovations and upgrades. This hands-on approach allows you to directly influence your investment's performance. You have a direct say in its management and potential to generate income. By carefully selecting tenants, maintaining the property, and managing finances, you can maximize your returns. This level of involvement gives you a unique advantage in growing your investment. Think about your local high street, the houses you pass, the flats being built. Each of these represents a potential opportunity for investment. The real estate market is vast and varied, offering numerous avenues to explore and capitalize on. Each represents a potential opportunity. From residential homes to commercial properties, the possibilities are endless. By understanding the market and identifying the right opportunities, you can make informed decisions that lead to profitable investments. Property investment begins with knowledge, planning, and understanding the principles. Educating yourself about the market, trends, and strategies is crucial. Attending seminars, reading books, and seeking advice from experts can provide valuable insights. We'll break down these principles to unlock the potential of bricks and mortar. By demystifying the process and providing practical tips, we aim to empower you to make smart, informed decisions in your real estate journey. Let's explore the world of property investment together. Rental income is the money you receive from a tenant in exchange for allowing them to live in or use your property. This could be a house, an apartment, a condo, or even a single room within your home. Essentially, you become the landlord, and your tenant pays you a set amount each month, usually outlined in a rental agreement or lease. This payment is often made on a regular schedule, such as monthly, and forms the foundation of your rental income stream. For many people, renting out property is a way to generate steady, predictable income. Whether your tenants are families, students, or professionals, their rent payments help you cover the costs of owning the property and can even provide extra cash each month. Of course, being a landlord comes with responsibilities. You'll need to pay for things like your mortgage, property taxes, insurance, and regular maintenance. After you subtract these expenses from the rent you collect, the remaining amount is your profit. This is what makes rental income so appealing to many investors. Unlike some other investments that can swing wildly in value, rental income tends to be stable and reliable. Month after month, you can count on a steady flow of cash, which can help you plan your finances with confidence. Another advantage is that rental income often keeps pace with inflation. As the cost of living rises, you can typically increase rent over time, helping your income grow and maintain its value. Over the years, this steady income can help you build wealth gradually and securely. Many people use rental properties as a long-term investment strategy, watching their savings grow as they collect rent and pay down their mortgage. One of the biggest perks is that rental income is considered passive. This means you can earn money even when you're not actively working. Whether you're on vacation, spending time with family, or pursuing other interests, your rental property keeps generating income. In addition to monthly rent, owning a rental property can also offer the potential for capital appreciation. As property values rise over time, your investment becomes even more valuable. When you eventually decide to sell, you could make a significant profit, especially if the market has grown since you first bought the property. There are also tax benefits to owning rental property. You may be able to deduct expenses like mortgage interest, repairs, and even depreciation, which can lower your overall tax bill and boost your returns. By understanding how rental income works and taking advantage of these benefits, you can maximize your returns and build a more secure financial future. Property investment offers stability and growth, a financial bedrock. The need for housing endures, insulating property from market swings. Property values move predictably over the long term. Leverage allows you to control a valuable asset for a fraction of its cost. Inflation increases rents over time while fixed mortgage payments remain stable. This growing gap boosts cash flow and profitability. Property offers a forced savings plan, building your equity. Each mortgage payment increases your ownership, building wealth. Over time, you own a valuable asset outright. It's a disciplined way to save and invest. Property can provide income for life. Taking your first step into property investment can feel overwhelming, especially with so much information and so many decisions to make. But remember, every successful investor started exactly where you are now, at the very beginning. The key is to break the process down into manageable steps so you can move forward with confidence and clarity. Before you even think about viewing properties or speaking to banks, focus on building a solid foundation. Start with education and careful planning. This stage is about preparing yourself mentally and practically for the journey ahead. Immerse yourself in property knowledge, read books by reputable investors, listen to podcasts that break down the basics, and watch videos that explain the ins and outs of the market. The more you learn, the more confident you'll feel when making decisions. Take time to understand the terminology used in real estate, from yield to equity and loan to value. Research your local property market, look at trends, average prices, and which areas are up and coming. This knowledge will help you spot opportunities and avoid common pitfalls. Next, get your finances in order. Calculate your net worth, track your income and expenses, and check your credit score. Understanding your financial position is crucial, as it determines what you can afford and how lenders will view your application. Start saving aggressively for your deposit. Most lenders require between 15 and 25% of the property's value up front. The more you can save, the better your mortgage options will be, and the stronger your negotiating position. As you prepare, assemble a team of trusted professionals. A knowledgeable mortgage broker can help you find the best loan, a solicitor will handle the legal side, and a letting agent can advise on rental potential. Surrounding yourself with experts makes the process smoother and less stressful. When you're ready to start searching, approach it with a clear, unemotional plan. Don't get swept up by glossy photos or clever marketing. Stick to your strategy and remember your long-term goals. Define your criteria in detail. Set a realistic budget, decide on the type of property you want, and identify areas with strong rental yields or growth potential. Having clear criteria will help you filter out unsuitable options quickly. Analyze each potential property by the numbers. Look at expected rent, all associated costs, and calculate your likely cash flow. Only consider properties that meet your financial goals and risk tolerance. Stay disciplined throughout the process. It's easy to get distracted or make emotional decisions, but sticking to your plan will help you avoid costly mistakes and regrets. Trust your research, follow your checklist, and make informed decisions at every stage. Remember, patience and preparation are your greatest allies. By following this methodical process, you'll not only reduce stress, but also set yourself up for a successful and rewarding investment journey. Your first step onto the property ladder is just the beginning of an exciting new chapter. Location is the most crucial factor for investment success. A great location attracts quality tenants and commands higher rents. Look for areas with a growing job market and major employers. Excellent transport links are crucial for tenant convenience. Proximity to good schools and amenities increases property value. Research rental demand and yields in the area. A letting agent can estimate realistic rent for a property. compare rent with purchase price to calculate potential yield. High demand and limited supply give you tenant choice and competitive rent. A desirable location minimizes the risk of vacancy. Location underpins long-term capital growth. Finding good tenants is crucial for success and peace of mind. A great tenant pays rent on time and maintains your property. Present your property well, clean, maintained, and in good order. High-quality photos attract better applicants. Be clear and honest in your advert about rent and rules. A thorough referencing process is essential. Verify applicant information with credit checks and references. Speak directly to referees for confirmation. Trust instincts but verify everything. A comprehensive tenancy agreement protects both parties. A professional relationship ensures smooth tenancy. Understanding property finance is essential. A buy-to-let mortgage is based on potential rental income. Lenders require a larger deposit, usually 20 to 25% of the purchase price. Budget for upfront costs like solicitors' fees and stamp duty. Cash flow is the lifeblood of your investment. Positive cash flow means rent exceeds expenses. Secure a property that generates positive cash flow from the start. Example, buy a flat for £150,000 with a 25% deposit. Rent covers mortgage and expenses, leaving positive cash flow. Run numbers to ensure investment viability. Cash flow ensures financial stability. A well-planned investment yields consistent returns. Property investment has risks, but awareness helps avoid them. Void periods mean no rent. Buy in high-demand areas to minimize this. Unexpected maintenance costs are inevitable. Plan for them. Set aside a sinking fund for repairs. Screen tenants rigorously to avoid issues. A clear tenancy agreement and regular inspections help manage risks. Avoid over-leveraging. Be conservative in calculations. Plan for worst-case scenarios to ensure investment stability. Property investment is a journey of continuous learning. It's a long-term strategy to build tangible wealth. Each property supports your financial independence. Steps, education, finances, expert team, and property search. Focus on locations with strong fundamentals and positive cash flow. Tenant screening is vital for asset protection. Understandable risks are manageable with planning. Property offers security and comfort as a physical asset. The first step is challenging but rewarding. Property investment can change your life and achieve your goals.